Learn to read with Starfall. We have Starfall Chapter books. I think what's fun about chapter books is putting together the pictures in your mind with the words on the page. Let's try it out. By the end of this video, you're going to read a whole chapter book. Are you ready?
I see a girl. I see a boy. The boy and girl smile. I smile. The boy and girl laugh. I laugh. The end.
Okay, that was the first book. You guys did great. Now let's move on to the second book. It's called Let's Play. I wonder what this one's going to be about.
I wave to a girl and boy. I point to the swings. The girl, the boy, and I run to the swings.
Swings are so fun.
I point to the slide. The girl, the boy, and I run to the slide. The boy, girl, and I smile. The end.
That was fabulous. Good job. Now we are ready to read number 3. It's called I See You.
The boys and girls ran to the playground.
Ooh, that looks like a fun playground.
I see you in that tree. I see you in that sandbox.
Sandbox, yay!
I see you and you in the bushes. I see you in that tire.
Oh, she's having fun.
That was a fun game of hide and seek. The end.
Next is book number 4. It's called Let's Eat.
I sat in the grass. I was hungry. I ate a sandwich and a cookie.
Cookie.
He ate a bowl of cherries. You ate an apple. That was a yummy lunch. The end.
Do you eat lunch with your friends? Or maybe your brother or sister?
We made it. I painted a picture of a cowboy. He painted a picture of a horse.
Ooh, finger painting is fun.
You painted a picture of a cow. I cut the pictures. He glued the pictures to the paper. You showed it to the class. The end.
Do you go to school? Oh, look, they all have painted hands. How fun!
Crayons. The boy had a crayon. He gave it to you, but the crayon broke. He was not mad. He had 2 boxes of crayons.
2?
One box was for you. One box was for the boy. He colored with you. The end.
Color, color, color.
As fast as a He has a car. His car is as fast as a cheetah.
Cheetahs are really fast.
He has a boat. His boat is as fast as a dolphin.
Oh, wow, look how fast those dolphins are swimming.
He has a rocket, but it is broken. His rocket is as heavy as a rock. The end.
Look at this rocket ship. It's in slow motion. You know it's going a lot faster than that. But look how awesome that is.
Was that you? Was that you in the gym? It was. I had to run and jump. I was as fast as a cheetah. Was that you with the nurse? It was. I was fast, but I fell. The nurse was tall. His shirt was red with blue boats. He had a box of crayons. I colored a picture for the nurse.
It is so nice to draw a picture for someone.
The end.
Next is a whole chapter book. Here we go.
Chapter Book 1. My Friends. Chapter 1. We add. I am Matt. I add with Tam. I can add to it. She can add to it. Nan can add to it. Nan! Chapter 2. The Map. That is Tim. That is Pam. Tim and Pam have a map. Tim and Pam gab. They pass me and Tam. They miss it. I tap Tim and Pam. Can I have the map? Chapter 3. A Big Mat. Tam and I sit on my mat. Tam and I have a bag. Tim and Pam can sit on my mat. Tam and Pam dig in the bag. That is Sam. She is sad. Can she sit on my mat? She can sit on my mat. I have a big mat. The end.
I am so proud of you. You read a whole chapter book. Come back for more. See you soon. Bye-bye. Subscribe so that you could read the second chapter book with me. Oh, look at the rainbow.